Alright guys, we're here back at the creek. Let's get some more shots for you. I loved last video. If you haven't seen last video, make sure to check out a couple of those nice shots. And I caught 2 fish on 1 lure that you'll be seeing me use today also. So, hey, you never know. They might want a totally different presentation today. These fish are different, but they're aggressive. Let's get out there. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you need to, all right? You need to. All right, let's get out there. One good thing about creek fishing is he's smoky. Oh, he demolished it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, he's smoky. Let's get up here. Oh my gosh.
It hurts so bad when hearts are parted. Oh, heaven knows, oh, heaven knows, I tried to guard it.
Patience. Now up here, I'm gonna show you guys. Up here, it is pretty shady. So, some of these, oh goodness gracious, some of these fish that are sitting in this here, what should I say, in this hole that aren't sitting underneath the rocks, everything's gonna be out and moving and possibly eat. So, yeah, let's get to it. Some little carp. Man, this tripod works out so well on this turn. Wow. It's actually kind of surprising that nothing blew up on it like instantly. Oh, I mean, he knocked it out of the water. Oh my gosh, you guys. I want to be fishing where nobody else has been fishing. I don't like the pressure. I don't like being around people while I'm fishing. It's just how I am. Like this, like areas like this. Now, if we're on a lake or something like that, that's different. It's a way more vast body of water. But they're sitting really shallow. They must be cruising for a bruising or a hook in their face. Another tip, this water is really clear. So you guys might have seen me. I worked this little section right here, and then I went to this section, then I went to this section, and when I got to this section, that's when he blew up on it. Sometimes they're gonna come from like up on this rock here and chase the bait all the way to here. It just depends if they see it or not. But usually, if you knock this thing around, it's got some rattles in it. This is, you guys can hear that? So this guy here has all those rattles, and that's gonna entice those fish to come longer distances and chase that bait. Let's see if we could get another one. It wouldn't surprise me if there'd be 2 or 3 other ones in this hole. So let's get a little bit longer of a cast up here. Well, I said that there might be a couple more fish up here. Let's make another cast over here and see if we had a friend with them. Because you guys seen in that last video, if you haven't seen that last video, I can't tell you enough. If you haven't seen that last video, you know, the fish were wolf pack and they're staying together. So, let's make a cast right there. I didn't even move it. Well, he's got another, his friend's trying to eat it. Feel him hitting it. Ooh. Come here, buddy. another smallie. And what did I say? I thought there'd be another nice little fish here. Pretty. These guys are so golden today. Just beautiful golden fish. If you guys have never chased after these fish before, so let them go. If you guys have never fished after smallmouth before, what are you doing? Get out to your local creek. Do a little bit of research too, guys. Like, if you guys are wondering if wondering if the smallmouth are in your local creek, go and observe, go and explore. Don't take a rod, just go out and search. Get some, use your best tools are right here. Sometimes you're looking at things under the water, but you know visually in your head and when you're looking at it where that fish could be sitting. So that right there kind of told me though that there might be another fish in there, the way I didn't even have to move the bait and he ate it. So he might have competition there. And wow, that was cool. Let's see if we can get another one. That was gnarly. Another reason why I love 10-pound test. Sometimes you don't have to really worry. And sometimes I'm reeling this thing in as fast as I can to keep up with the current. Sometimes it will like go to the bottom. So I'm working it pretty quickly, trying to give it the most erratic action that I can for keeping it up with the pace. Because this has like 2 different current slots here. There's a big break and then it oh, there he is. That was cool. Ooh, little guy, he's gone. But there's 2 little current slots and they're sitting in those slots. Like right in the middle of it. Crushed. Big one. There's another one trying to eat it, but it's a giant. It's a giant. Oh my God, now I got 2. I had 2 on. I lost the big one. No, that was insane. I just lost the big one and this one just ate it. Stop. Stop, dude. Okay. There's no way. I wish you guys might, I don't know if you've seen it or not, but the other one took it out of this one's mouth. Like this one just took it out of the biggest one's mouth. Oh, that was a big one too. As soon as it hit the water, sitting right in the fast water. Nice little chunker. Let's get him back in. We had 2 on again, guys. 2. We're letting this spot sit for a second, just in case if there's another fish here. Oh man, we had 2 again. Like I said, guys, check your line for abrasions or anything. I'm gonna pick that up. I was just gonna make another cast there. I was getting ready to just make another cast. And I looked at my line. And it was really frayed. So, I don't feel like losing this today. We are getting this back every time we get it hung up. And we are getting it back every time we lose a fish. Like, it's coming. I don't care if I have to go into the water and get my snorkeling gear and go after the smallmouth. It's mine. See if there's anything up here. A little bit more moving water, some shade. Yep. Yep. Let's get you guys back down here. Okay. This is different. Let's see if there's anything in here. It's hot. Oh, got him. Oh, big fish. Big fish. Big fish. And there's the second one right next to it. It's a walleye trying to eat. Oh my God, there's a second fish right here. Look at both of them. There he is right behind it. Hang on, I'm gonna try to let him eat it. His friend's right next to it. Oh my gosh. Look at his friend. His friend's right here. You guys see him? There he goes, he just took off. Giants. Sitting in this little new spot. Wow. Come here, big boy. Oh, please don't get off. Spitting crayfish everywhere. No. Yes. That was it. Yeah. Wow. That is what I'm talking about. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys. Just gorgeous. Let's get him back in the water though. I lost him and picked him up off the bank. What a fish. What a freaking fish. Ooh, he's biting me. Go ahead, you silly. You good? Yeah, baby. Well, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I didn't make an outro for this video, but if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content. If you guys want to see me do more smallmouth, like topwater stuff, I'll keep doing it. Hit the like button, comment down below. When you subscribe, hit the little ringer bell to be notified when I upload. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later.